Good job. Look at you. Such a big girl. Uh-oh, there's a big pile of snow here. How's that gonna work? Can you get over it? With your Jeep? It's an off-road vehicle. You should be able to. Keep pushing. Good job. Good job. Good job. Oh.